In this video, I will show you how to organize some messy wiring behind your TV stand. These wiring could be power cables, audio cables, HDMI cables, speaker cables, internet cables, etc. Let me pull back the TV stand just a bit to give a more clearer view as to what's going on behind here. You can see that the wires are all over the place. The goal is to change this layout to this. I ran all the wires in tubes and I will take you through my approach. I will use multiple tubes here, but you can use one large tube to put all wires together to have a cleaner look. I will be using these to do the job, and you can get all these on Amazon. I will put a link in the description below. These are the tubes. They come in various sizes. The bigger ones are more ideal because they hold more wires. These are some tie straps, and you have the option of using tie straps or electrical tape. The tape gives a cleaner presentation, but the tie straps are more durable. I will also be using this wire stripper to cut the tubes, and I might need it to strip speaker wires. The first thing to do is to unplug everything, then organize the wires based on where they will be plugged in. I am using temporary tie straps here to hold some wires together. It is easier to manage them this way. Most of these wires will be going to the audio system because that's where I want to play audio from all my devices. I have a lot of excess speaker wires here, which are available in the event I want to relocate the rear speakers to the back of the room. But I keep all my speakers here at the front. I will fold these wires, secure them with a tie strap, and tuck them to the back of the audio receiver. I just need to remember to leave enough wire to run to the speakers. Now I'm organizing all the wires for the wireless internet router. I am using temporary tie straps as I go along just to keep the wires in place. You can also use tape instead. You can see just organizing the wires improves the presentation, and the tubes will improve the presentation even more. It's time to start installing the tubes. The tubes have split at the sides where the wires should be placed. I will just take my time and push all the wires in. So those wires are in, and I have room to add one more wire, so I will do so. At both ends of the tube, you can use tape or tie strap to prevent the wires from pulling out. Now I will just continue and place all wires in tubes. The wires are coming from various directions and some meet up here. To make this presentation a little better, I will use the black electrical tape to tape at the end here. It is not necessary to add tubing to these speaker wires here, but I will do so because I have excess tubing. This will make the presentation more uniform because the wires will all be black. So this is it, guys. All the wires are in tubes, and this is way more organized and neater. A much bigger tube can be used to put multiple tubes together to make this job look even more cleaner. The only drawback will be in the event you want to remove a device with the wires. But if you can install these wires in these tubings, you will be able to remove them easily. All that is left to do now is to plug the power cords in the power outlet and test all devices. So as you can see here, it looks better than before. Let's go to the other side. It's clearer from here. And as you can see again guys, this is way more organized. And it can even look more organized if I put multiple tubes in one large tube. So this setup has a audio receiver, a television, a Amazon Fire Stick, and a computer. This receiver can take up to 3 more devices via HDMI, which could be a cable box, a Blu-ray DVD, etc. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video. See you on the next one, guys.